and transcended historic and systemic obstacles to embrace a digital future for our people, demonstrating that the path to Kenya's prosperous destiny is indeed digital. This milestone reflects our commitment to create a more connected, efficient, and equitable system of public service delivery. When we relaunched eCitizen, we set out to dismantle inefficiencies, delays, bureaucracy, red tape, and frustrations that had plagued service delivery in Kenya for decades. We sought to end the unnecessary burden of navigating physical offices, standing in long queues, and enduring avoidable delays and inconveniences. We envisioned a Kenya where geographical disparities no longer dictate access to public service, where citizens in the most remote areas could enjoy the same conveniences as those in urban centers. We aspired to build a system that prioritizes integrity over corruption, efficiency over waste, and inclusivity over exclusion.